Friends, I am extremely happy to welcome you to this session on classroom tutorial video making. Before we go to the audio script writing, I felt that it is necessary to clarify what I mean by classroom tutorial videos. For having taught for 50 plus years in engineering field, I'm seeing the videos available in the media since long. I can categorize those videos as, say, number one, the videos which are recorded in the studio and the presenter will talk for 1 hour using the chalk piece and the blackboard. He wipes the blackboard, and if by mistake he writes something else, he will wipe it out, and so on. So, such videos I categorize it as lecture videos. But, friends, there is another category where the videos ported by the learned faculty of national level institutions, and some of the videos are not different from the first category. And the third category, I feel that there are some good videos which are designed by the national and international experts, and in those videos, to some extent, the modern technology is adopted. Friends, all such videos fail to capture and hold the attention of the viewers for the entire length of 1 hour. Today's youth cannot concentrate engaging themselves listening for one long hour. That's why they close the session after 15 to 20 minutes. Of course, I agree that the content-wise, such videos are highly commendable and absolutely there is no doubt in it. But what I feel is the presentation part of it and the time for which the videos are created. Now, we as teachers also are expected to modify our teaching and content delivery based on what the modern technology is available, because today's youths are more prone to use the media for their learning. Therefore, one thing, I clarify that any kind of any good video cannot dispense the place of a teacher that he is teaching in the classroom. Therefore, along with the teaching using chalk piece and board, we have to use different skills to create the interest among the learners so that the learners will come running to the institution, and that should be our purpose of creating the videos and using the different skills for teaching. Now, let us suppose that we are teaching a subject for 50 hours of schedule. Now, the experienced teacher, what he does, he will introduce for 2 minutes and summarize for, say, 5 to 6 minutes at the end of the lecture. So, for 2 hours teaching, he will spend around, say, 15 minutes, let us say, for introduction and the summary. So, out of the 2 hours of 120 minutes, he will spend around say 10 to 15 minutes for the purpose of introduction and summary. So what I suggest is, let us prepare the videos for what we have taught for 2 hours to the period of only 10 minutes. It is possible, friends, what you have taught for 2 hours, it is possible to prepare the video for only 10 minutes. And if we screen after 2 hours of teaching, that 10 minutes of video which we have prepared, the student or the learner will recall all our body language, voice modulation, etc., everything within 10 minutes. So, such videos I call them as classroom tutorials videos which are to be used in the classroom. Friends, such short classroom videos have a lot of advantages, I will tell you. In the first place, these short videos, if we put it on the institutional portal or in the social media, they will be very useful for the slow learners. They can see anytime, any number of times and learn better. And about fast learners, they can see again and again and understand more better. It is very much useful to the fast learners also. And one of the best and the major advantage is about the revision of the subject. We have prepared videos of 30 videos of 10 minutes, say around 300 minutes and around 5 hours seeing time. So friends, within 5 hours, they can revise the entire subject during their exam preparation time. Don't you feel that this is a great advantage than not preparing the videos and putting it on to the social media or on to the college portal? Friends, I am confident that such short videos, if prepared, our teaching learning process is enhanced and we can elevate our modality of teaching from a normal teaching to a creative teaching. Friends, during this video, I have tried to bring out the concept, the advantages, and the importance of short classroom videos. When I conducted the workshop on tutorial video making in a couple of colleges, some teachers posed a question. Sir, when number of videos are available in the media about the subject which I am teaching, why should I spend time on creating the video of my own? Friends, my answer was, yes friend, I agree with you. Hundreds of videos are available on any subject that we teach. But remember, they are the creations of others. The content of the video precisely may not suit to your lecture of 2 to 3 hours. Number one. Number two is for which points you want to emphasize, he might not have emphasized. Number three is your learners are deprived of recalling the entire body language and voice modulation as you have taught. Friends, after all, they are not your creation. You know how much you love your own creation when your child is born. Hope you are convinced. Hence, let us all bring in ICT into classroom and make the teaching learning more pleasurable to everyone concerned. Friends, if you have any clarifications and suggestions, I request you to forward to my email. Thank you for watching this video.